Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can customize your own font on Calligrapher. So create a template first, and then for instance you want minimal English. So for instance this is the kind of like words that I want to like write, I guess. You can also add in numbers and punctuation. Then you're going to select download template. You can download it as PDF, PNG, press download. And then you're going to download that file. You're going to either go to Adobe Illustrator or you can just print it out and draw on it. Then if you go to my fonts here, you'll be able to upload your template. So take a picture or save the file, and then you're going to upload your font in Calligrapher. Then you're going to build your font, download it, and then go to Canva and upload it. Just upload your font. And that's pretty much it. I can't share that much because it's going to take me so long to build my own font. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.